What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? What's up? Okay, so in this week, today being the 18th day of September 2024, I want to share the trades we have taken this week. Today is just Wednesday, and we have hit absolutely 4 to 5 TPs on BTC, GBP, USD, GJ, EJ, and gold. So I'm going to share the thought process. I'm going to show the trade first, then go to another trading view and show you exactly how I analyzed the market and what I did to get those trade ideas. Okay, so this is GBP USD. Okay, so on GBP USD, it's very simple. So on GBP USD right here, okay, so what I did is so simple, so very simple. Okay, so GBP USD on weekly, how I marked the chart. Okay, so on this weekly, we can see that market is actually forming a higher highs and the higher lows. Okay, so how I marked this market, here we formed the lower low. Okay, all these things are just market structures. Market kept on respecting. Okay, here we enter the trend, which market broke out of this lower low here, and we had a higher high. So I saw this on Monday, on Friday. So you can see all these lines I put here. You can see the dotted lines and the normal horizontal lines I put here. Those lines are the horizontal line are monthly lines, while the dotted lines are weekly lines. So I use them to know where market is going to reverse. Okay, right here, this is the what is it called? The higher high that was broken, like the recent structure that was broken before we had this higher high up there. So we are bullish on weekly. So on daily too, you can see this my zone is still here. Market is bullish. This is higher high. Okay. Fantastic trade. Then on 4 hour time frame, market is bullish. So how do I enter a trade? Most of the times I just look out on what we called on Monday exactly. Market is still up here. Market is still here. Which date is this? Let me check. So on Monday, market is still here. So I know that market is actually coming down to this place to come and peak, just retest. So I was watching on 4 hour time frame to see what market is about to do. And as market was coming down here on 4 hour time frame, you can see that we entered what we call bearish. Market started forming. Okay, let me show you. Let me show you something. From here, this is our higher high, higher low, higher high. Okay, market structure. We form our lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay, this market formed the last higher high here. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay, we had this market structure. As market did this, I thought market wanted to go. Then immediately it came to peak. Remember, I marked this on weekly. So as it peaked it, I said, okay, market have touched my area of interest. Okay, I sat on my hand and waited for market to form a higher high. Immediately market broke this zone here. I waited actually for the market to come down and take this zone. Market didn't come down. What did I do? I say no problem. So this is another zone here. If you can see well, okay. So this is support and this is resistance. This is resistance again. So market respected that and come down. So immediately market formed this higher high here. Okay, I went straight to my 30 minutes time frame, which is the time frame I take my trades from. What did I do there? I was waiting to see markets. You know, this is one movement. If you check our 4 hour time frame, this is just one movement, one candlestick movement. Okay, this is an impulsive movement, higher high. Okay, so on 30 minutes time frame, I was watching the market. Immediately we came to down zone again. Okay, immediately we came to down zone again. I saw all these, but I trade only London and New York session. Okay, this was I saw these rejection candles. Look at this candle work, because we are going to see it again on other trade side too. Okay, so market came down here. This should have been my entry, but now it's night already. You can see 17 Tuesday, that's yesterday. So market is night in Nigeria already. So I don't trade by that time. So I kept on watching the market to see what market is about to do. Then there was a trend line here before. Okay. I was just watching this market. Immediately during London session today being Wednesday. Okay, I saw this candlestick pattern. Immediately, that's an engulfing candle. It engulfed everything here. Even broke this zone. If you go to 5 minutes time frame, you will see that this is actually a breakout and retest, but I don't trade 5 minutes time frame anyway. But because of this video I'm recording, let me check it. So if you check 5 minutes time frame, you can actually see that this is a breakout and retest. Okay, market retested here. For people that are doing, so if I use 5 minutes to enter this trade, I would have bring my stop loss up here. Okay, and this will be a massive 1:8. All right. No, I don't do that. So where the market is okay by me. So I put my stop loss right there. And my target was negative 27.8. Let me put my feedback. Okay, because market came down here, I'm supposed to put this up here. Negative 67.20 yes. Negative 61.8. Okay. So that's where I want this market to hit, and that will give us 1:76. Beautiful and fantastic trade. So this is the first trade. The second trade was EJ. Okay, let's take gold first. Okay, how did I take this gold trade? Wow. I analyzed this market with my friend, Ego Yibo. Okay, I know she's going to see this video. Okay, a very fantastic trade too. Okay, that morning, I think she messaged me and told me that she's on short. I quickly checked the market to see what's going on. Let me delete all the feed here. Or let me open gold in another chart immediately. Let me open gold on another chart immediately. But I just want to show you guys the trade. So the trade I took here, very fantastic trades. She showed me this trade. I don't want to delete my chart, okay? But I will show you exactly how I took all this trade, how I marked everything here. Okay. So right here, gold. Where are you? Okay, I can use, I love using one that to analyze the markets anyway. XAU USD. Yup. Okay, fantastic. So this is exactly what happened. This is not a premium trading, but I can use this. Okay, so on Monday morning, I could remember coming back from gym. Ego Ibo messaged me and said something like, Somto, please help me and check gold. Okay, let me check if I can use this. Let me check. Can I? I couldn't. Let me use my main charts. Okay, we will mark everything too. I will come back to everything. I want to, it is like coming and coming and coming. I don't want to scatter my charts. Okay, it's fine. So here on gold, gold is fucking bullish. It's like there's something I lost. Oh, I can't delete my charts because I marked something there. Okay. I know what I'm going to do. I will just explain. I will explain this time. Let me remove the feeds. But this trade is fantastic. Let me just wipe all these things. I really need to, okay? So this market have done this that Monday morning. This is where we are, okay? So very beautiful trade. Let me delete all this so that beautiful, 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 Shaya. So I saw this. This is a fucking, sorry for that word. Okay. So market made all these paparazzi up here. Okay, now this candle was engulfed by these two candles. So Egoibo was like telling me that she wanted to short the market. I was like, well, why do you want to short the market? Because this should be our last higher high. This is the last higher low. That's why I put this horizontal line there. Okay, that's the last higher low. And this is higher high. I was like, you would have waited for market to come down and break this thing first. But wait, let me check. So I saw this bearish variation here. This candle was engulfed by this. So I say, okay, this is a valid trade in 15 minutes. I went straight to 15 minutes immediately. Okay, I saw what was going on. I saw these charts, okay? Market come up, came down. I made this impulsive move. I say beautiful. I put my fee point A, point B. And I told her, okay, what will happen is that we are going to put trend line. We are going to put trend line, okay? And then allow the market to come up. Once market come up there and give us entry, we are going to sell the market. So market came up immediately. Sorry, we call this trade live and direct. We call this MAGA. So the trade is here now. This is the trade. Putting the worry. So immediately market came up here. So you can see these rejections. So I entered that trade right here. Stop. So these rejections now, I entered the trade from here. And my stop loss above this zone. Okay. So that's exactly the trade I took. And TP right here. Okay. And TP right here on negative 61.8. Okay. So the market came to wine us more first. The market came up, wine us, good and fine. Okay. So that's the first fig you are seeing there. It didn't hit take profit. and started going back. Okay, so the next trade, I now put my trend line again from down here. From down here. Okay, so I waited to see what market is going to do. Market came, retested the trend line. Then something happened. I entered this trade. Yes. So I entered this trade right here, and the trade stopped us out. Exactly. Let me delete this fib. Okay, now that fib should be somewhere here now. This should be the second trade. So I made a mistake on the stop loss. My stop loss supposed to be above this line too. Okay, and take profit here. So market came, stop this particular trade out. I left it there. That's the second trade on that Monday. So we have this zone here. We kept on looking at the market to get another trade. Okay, so you remember that this is our 1 hour higher low and it has not broken. So I wanted market to break it before taking any other trade. Okay, then I was sitting on 15 minutes and watching what's going on. Watching what's going on. The market was just consolidating. Okay, good and fine. Market was immediately, market came up here again, this trend line. Okay, point A, point B, point A, point B. Market came there, and this particular zone gave us this engulfing candle. You can see that's why I entered that trade. Then we waited to see what happens. See, market kept on whining us, like the whiners. Now, this particular trade now, I don't, the TP should be here too. Okay, so as we can see, our first trade, our TP, you can see it right here. Okay, and that's 1:4. This one is 1:2.5, though we hit stop loss there. Because I put the stop loss right here. Then, this is the last trade. Okay, you can see how everything was mashed. Brrr. Brrr. Everything was, brrr. You know, it's a fantastic golden trade. Everything was mashed. Okay. So we didn't take any trade today, being Wednesday. Market is going back. This is not the time to trade. This is time to journal. And this video I'm even making by this time, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. It's just me trying to, journal my trade for the week already. So that's that. Okay. So I didn't take any trade today. So I want market to get to where it was before we started. Wow. Is this FOMC meeting news? Yeah, it might be. Okay, so I think this is trend line breakout and retest that happened here. FOMC, yeah, FOMC meeting. I think that's what is pumping this market now. Wow. Beautiful trades. I didn't look at it anyway. Let it be going. Then the next trade was on GJ. Okay. GJ is dropping. GJ. Very fantastic trade. So we had a beautiful trade here. Let me start from 4-hour time frame. Aha. Okay, so let me use the trade to cut this thing off. Okay. So this trade, I looked at it from 4-hour time frame. Okay. So on this 4-hour beautiful time frame, I saw the market was busy doing lower low, lower high. Then this place now started struggling. It started struggling. You know, I supposed to have my support here, but this one I drew it on 5 minutes anyway. Okay, so I saw this morning star, you know, morning star candlestick pattern. I don't know whether my laptop, you can't see it well. Okay, so I noticed this is a bullish pattern. I was like, okay, it's like this market wants to, you get it? It's like the market wants to reverse. I say, okay, no problem. Let me go to lower time frame to see what's going on. I came to 1-hour time frame. Okay, nothing special, but I noticed a channel forming. You know, so you know the rule of channel, you connect lower low to lower low, support, support. Okay, you can see what market was doing. I now went to 15 minutes time frame. Okay, there was a candle on gold when you wanted to sell. I told you to pay attention to that candle. So right here, I looked at RSI. I noticed that this RSI is forming a bullish divergence. Okay, this is a bullish divergence on RSI. What's wrong? Yeah. Okay, let me draw this. So I noticed this uh, uh, I noticed this bullish divergence on 15 minutes and say this RSI here is above here, is below this place. And this is a channel. Beautiful trade, beautiful trade. So why I took this trade, there is a combination of a lot of things. You can see that zone right there. This is support, 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 and then this is resistance. This is called zone. Okay, market was forming this lower low, lower high. Market came down, break this lower high. So, and this is a zone you can see market respected here, respected all these places, respected here too. So this trade is this is the most beautiful trade. This particular trade, Abi, the most beautiful, the most beautiful. So immediately I have this my trend line coming down all the way up. I drew it on higher time frame. Okay. So I was like, okay, I'm going to take this trade. I put my feet because this is an impulse trade. A positive move, point A to point B, I think. Yes. So it aligned with this zone. This was the first trade. And that's 1:4. So I entered this trade on these two fantastic candles. Remember what I showed you on gold? These candlesticks, you see, and from there we started moving up. Okay. So right there, you broke out of this zone, this particular zone here. Let me see how the market looked like in 1 hour. So you know my fib was adjusted before we started this thing. So this was the first trade. Now the main fib now, and we have hit our take profits. Okay, beautiful. So our second, I now put my fib, point A to point B. This is now the higher time frame trade. And I have my zones and everything ready. You can see this zone. The two zones I was trying to mark, support, resistance, support, resistance. You can see all of them here. So market did what? Initially, I was looking to take a trade here because I saw this. Sorry. I saw this initially. So I was waiting for market to come down here so that I can pick a trade. The market didn't do that. You know, this is why you should do what you see in the market and not what you think. Immediately, market came up there, gave this engulfing candle, fantastic engulfing candle. You can see that is why I entered this trade. And remember, this is around 7 o'clock. Okay, these two trades now was around 13 o'clock, New York session. This is London session. Like I said before, I don't take trade outside these time zones. Okay. Now markets, I wanted this market since we retested negative 38. Since we retested at 8 fib level, so my take profit should be around 27. Yeah. So this to the world doesn't make any sense to me, though. It's not even up to 1:2. That's why I increased it to this place. But this is me now doing what I feel like. Here, it should be the TP for this trade. But let's see how the trade ended. Okay. So we are still on it. We are still on the journey. So here we have broken out. And let's see how the retest is going to be. Boom. We have done the trade 3. Now the trade 4 is how many trades have we analyzed? GU gold. Okay. Now the third one is EJ. Yes, EJ. So Euro JPY, the same thing with GBP JPY. I saw this bullish candle on 4-hour time frame. I said, okay, it's time. Shaya, it's time. It's time. Okay, so I went straight up to 1-hour time frame. Saw the same channel I saw on GJ, a beautiful channel, went to 15 minutes, where I love to take my trade from. All right, so you can see the channel. Okay, here the divergence even showed better. You can see the divergence. Market was diverging. From here, market was diverging. Okay, market was coming down. You can go to YouTube and check what divergence means. And from here, market was going on. So immediately, we had our first trade. Let me delete this. So our first trade was this impulse and correction, trend line breakout and retest. Okay, this was the first trade. That's 1:3. Beautiful trade. And why did I take this trade? Remember what I did on GJ? Exactly the same thing. So look at this. Market was, this is now resistance, another resistance. The market broke it, retested, and then we moved. And if you look, this is area of support, resistance. Then this candlestick, you can see that rejection of that trend line. So that's why I picked the trade. Then this is lower time frame. After hitting TP, you now go to higher time frame. We see what is going on. Okay, we have not hit TP already. Happy. Okay, so that's it. TP smashed. Okay, you now stop, go to higher time frame to wait for higher time frame Fibonacci. Okay, good. So this is it there. On 1 hour, then on 30 minutes. I don't think we picked any trade again. Okay. So this should now come here. And then we didn't pick any trade again. Even though this is a trend line breakout and returns, but I don't like how the trade looked like. This is a fantastic, beautiful trade you can see. This is the best trade you can see this week. Okay, so our next trade now on this particular pair should be for market to so this market now, this market wants to sell. So all we'll be looking for, you know what this tunnel is? This is wedge pattern. Okay, this is wedge pattern. So all we need is to just stay on 15 minutes. London session tomorrow. What we are going to do is to wait for retest and take this market to zero. Retest back. Simple. Okay. So the next trade we took, this is the fourth trade. The next trade is a fatal failure on crypto. It's actually a nice trade where Bitcoin ran me straight. So on Bitcoin USD, Bitcoin, I hate you, Bitcoin. I hate you, Bitcoin. So still the same strategy, brothers. Still the same strategy. Okay, so here, simple. I don't in Bitcoin or crypto, I don't it's easier to trade. Okay, so why this trade stopped me out? My trade actually hit TP. It's just that I was early in the market. So if you look at, you can see support, resistance, support, resistance, resistance, and then a beautiful inverted head and shoulder. So as we form this higher high, all I needed was for market to come to this zone. So when I saw this market on Monday, Bitcoin was here already. Let me check. What's wrong with network? What's wrong with my network? Okay, beautiful. So why I took this trade? Let me see. Okay, right here. This is for, so this is exactly why I took the trade. So I noticed that market have came here and rejected. So I went straight to 1 hour time frame because that's where I love taking Bitcoin trade. Okay, so this is where I entered that trade. This engulfing candle around 7 o'clock. My TP was there. So my TP was actually a fib. This trade messed me up. This particular phone. So my TP should be on that monthly listing. So the market, first of all, came down to wine in Papa first. Okay. It came to stop me out. Then after stopping me out, I was angry. I now saw a recovering trade. Because I was angry, I didn't take it. This should have been the recovering trade. That candle right there. Put my stop loss there. Okay. But I didn't. Now look at what Bitcoin did. Can you see? This is what you see in the market still. So you see markets match that initial TPI put, and Bitcoin will still come up to this particular zone. Short banker. So this is the 5 trades I've taken this week, and all of them is a banger. So I hope you pick something from this. Thank you. Chill out. Bye.